Halloween is over, which means the holiday season is upon us, and Rihanna celebrated by dropping her Savage X Fenty holiday collection on November 1st. See her modeling the sexy lingerie here. Rihanna stars in the new Tagged by Savage collection for Savage X Fenty. The campaign dropped on November 1st, and features 2 photos of the singer looking incredibly sexy in purple lingerie. The looks are part of Savage X Fenty's November holiday collection. For the shoot, Rihanna wears a halter-style bra with a cutout in the middle and lacy fabric up the sides. There's also matching, lacy underwear and a sexy lace garter to hold up sheer purple tights. Stunning. For her glam look, Riri has blunt bangs, with her hair styled long and straight. She's wearing fierce, dark eye makeup with a cat eye and bold red lips, perfect for the holidays. Holiday SCN about to be extra AF, she captioned the photos on her Instagram, along with the hashtag #TisTheSavage. The VIP box for this new collection contains the 3-piece set of the holiday-inspired lingerie, which mixes the right amount of gritty streets vibes with sexy silhouettes. The drop of this new collection comes just one day after Halloween. For the holiday, Rihanna dressed as a fellow artist, rapper, Gunna. Fans were obsessed with her costume, which she went totally all out for. In fact, Rihanna looked more like Gunna than she looked like herself in the look. Her hair was styled in the rapper's signature braids, and she rocked sunglasses, chain necklaces and an all-black ensemble. For the last several years, Rihanna has been focused on her Savage X Fenty lingerie collection, as well as her Fenty beauty brand. She's also been committed to her relationship with A$AP Rocky, who she quietly started dating in 2020. Ever since the rapper opened up about the romance in an interview earlier this year, though, the two have been much less shy about showing off their love for one another in public. Their relationship is solid and is heading toward forever, a source told Hollywood Life exclusively in September. They are on the same path and wavelength, and a future together is very much a thing.